If you have a window that gets direct sunlight, consider yourself fortunate, as it's perfect for growing houseplants suited for sunny spots. Let's quickly dive into the best indoor plants for sunny windows. Let's begin with Gloxinia or Sinningia speciosa. Gloxinia plants thrive beautifully in sunny windows, making them an ideal choice for bright indoor spaces. These flowering houseplants produce vibrant, velvety blooms in shades of red, purple, pink, or white, adding a splash of color to any room. While they love bright light, avoid harsh, direct sun during peak hours to prevent leaf scorching. Keep the soil consistently moist and maintain a warm, humid environment for optimal growth and blooming. Jade plant or Crassula ovata. The jade plant is an excellent choice for a sunny window, as it thrives in bright, direct sunlight. This low-maintenance succulent features thick, fleshy leaves that store water, making it drought-tolerant and ideal for busy plant owners. Ensure the pot has good drainage and let the soil dry out completely between waterings to prevent overwatering. With proper care, the jade plant can grow beautifully and even develop small, delicate blooms. Geranium or Pelargonium. Geraniums are a wonderful option for a sunny window, as they flourish in bright, direct sunlight. Their vibrant blooms in shades of red, pink, white, and purple add a cheerful touch to indoor spaces. To keep geraniums healthy, place them in well-draining soil and allow the topsoil to dry slightly between waterings. Regular deadheading of spent flowers encourages continuous blooming, making them a low-maintenance and visually appealing houseplant. Croton or Codiaeum variegatum. The croton thrives in a sunny window, basking in bright, indirect light to maintain its vibrant, multicolored foliage. Keep the environment warm, 65–80 degrees Fahrenheit, and humid, as it dislikes cold drafts. Water consistently, allowing the soil to slightly dry between watering, and mist leaves to prevent dryness. Rotate the pot occasionally for even growth. With proper care, this tropical plant adds bold, striking beauty to your indoor space. Jasmine or Jasminum. Jasmine thrives in a sunny window with plenty of bright, indirect light or a few hours of direct sunlight daily. Keep the temperature between 60–75 degrees Fahrenheit and ensure good air circulation. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy, and mist occasionally to maintain humidity. Prune after flowering to encourage new growth. With the right care, jasmine rewards you with fragrant blooms and lush, green foliage. Florist Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. Place your Florist Kalanchoe near a sunny window with bright, indirect light for 6 hours daily. Use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Maintain a temperature of 60–85 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid drafts. Remove spent flowers to encourage blooms and prune leggy growth to keep the plant compact. This setup ensures healthy growth and vibrant flowers. Cyclamen or Cyclamen persicum. Place cyclamen near a sunny window with bright, indirect light, as direct sunlight can harm the leaves. Maintain a cool environment, ideally between 50–68 degrees Fahrenheit, and avoid heat sources or drafts. Water sparingly, allowing the topsoil to dry slightly, and avoid wetting the crown. Use well-draining soil to prevent rot and maintain moderate humidity. Regularly remove yellowing leaves and spent blooms to encourage healthy growth and vibrant flowers throughout its blooming season. Aloe vera or Aloe barbadensis Miller. Aloe vera thrives in a sunny window, making it an ideal indoor plant. Place it in a pot with well-draining soil, such as a cactus mix. Ensure it gets plenty of bright, indirect sunlight for healthy growth. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. With minimal care, aloe vera will grow robustly, adding beauty and utility to your space. Hibiscus. A hibiscus plant thrives near a sunny window, basking in the bright, indirect light that mimics its tropical origins. Ensure it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily for vibrant blooms. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and mist the leaves occasionally to maintain humidity. Fertilize every few weeks during the growing season for optimal growth. With proper care, its colorful flowers will add beauty to your indoor space and bring a touch of the tropics to your home. Cacti. Cacti are perfect for sunny windows as they thrive in bright, direct sunlight. Use well-draining soil like a cactus mix and a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings, typically every few weeks. Rotate the pot occasionally to ensure even growth. With proper light and minimal care, cacti will flourish, adding a touch of desert charm to your home. Succulents. A succulent near a sunny window thrives in bright, direct light, making it an ideal spot for its growth. Ensure the plant gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily to maintain its vibrant colors and compact shape. Use well-draining soil and water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot. Rotate the plant occasionally for even growth. With minimal care, succulents bring natural charm and low-maintenance beauty to your sunny windowsill. Clivia. Clivia plants thrive near a sunny window with bright, indirect light, as direct sunlight can scorch their leaves. They prefer well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. During their blooming season, they benefit from a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Their vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers and glossy foliage make Clivia an elegant addition to any indoor space with filtered sunlight. Palm plants. Palms thrive in sunny windows, adding a tropical vibe to your space. Choose species like Areca, Majesty, or Kentia palms, which tolerate bright, indirect light. Ensure the window provides filtered sunlight to prevent scorching. Rotate the plant weekly for even growth and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Regularly mist the foliage to maintain humidity. Palms adapt well indoors but appreciate occasional outdoor exposure during mild weather. Norfolk Island pine or Araucaria heterophylla. A Norfolk Island pine thrives near a sunny window with bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch its delicate needles. Rotate the plant regularly for even growth and water when the top inch of soil feels dry, ensuring good drainage to prevent root rot. Maintain moderate humidity by misting or using a humidifier, especially in winter. This slow-growing tree makes an elegant, low-maintenance indoor centerpiece. Citrus tree or Citrus limon. A citrus tree near a sunny window thrives with 6 to 8 hours of bright, direct light daily. Choose dwarf varieties like Meyer lemon, calamondin, or key lime for indoor growth. Use well-draining soil and water when the top inch feels dry. Maintain consistent humidity by misting or placing a tray of water nearby. Rotate the plant weekly for even growth and feed it with a citrus-specific fertilizer during the growing season. Hovediopsis attenuata, also known as zebra plant, thrives in a sunny window with bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, so filtered light is ideal. Use well-draining cactus soil and water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. This low-maintenance succulent grows slowly and benefits from occasional feeding with a cactus fertilizer during the growing season. Placing plants near a sunny window enhances their growth with ample light. Choose sun-loving varieties and rotate them for even exposure, maintain proper watering, and enjoy a vibrant, thriving indoor garden.